What is Li Chun? Li means start, Chun represents warmth and growth. Li Chun, which translates to beginning of spring in English, the beginning of spring is the first of the 24 solar terms. What are the 24 solar terms? The 24 solar terms, also known as the Jiki in Chinese, are a traditional Chinese system used to divide the solar year into 24 equal segments, each lasting about 15 days. These terms are based on the position of the Sun relative to the Earth, and are used in the Chinese lunar solar calendar to guide agricultural activities and mark the changing seasons. The solar terms are as follows.
立春
Beginning of spring,
雨水
rainwater,
惊蛰
waking of insects,
春分
spring equinox,
清明
pure brightness,
谷雨
grain rain,
立夏
beginning of summer,
小满
grain full,
芒种
grain in ear,
夏至
summer solstice,
小暑
slight heat,
大暑
great heat,
立秋
beginning of autumn,
处暑
limit of heat,
白露
white dew,
秋分
autumn equinox,
寒露
cold dew,
霜降
frost descent,
立冬
beginning of winter,
小雪
slight snow,
大雪
great snow,
冬至
winter solstice,
小寒
slight cold,
大寒
great cold. These terms help farmers and practitioners of traditional Chinese medicine align their activities with the natural cycles of the seasons. Each solar term has its own characteristics and significance in terms of weather, agriculture, and cultural activities. When is Li Chun? Li Chun usually falls around February 4th or 5th in the Gregorian calendar. For example, if the year is 2024, Li Chun falls on February 4th. However, the date may vary slightly each year due to the differences between the lunar and solar calendars. How does Li Chun relate to the Lunar New Year? Li Chun is closely tied to the Lunar New Year. While they are distinct events, Li Chun is considered the first solar term of the Chinese calendar year, and its occurrence is often close to the Lunar New Year. Which comes first, Li Chun or Lunar New Year? In most cases, Li Chun comes before the Lunar New Year. The Lunar New Year typically falls between January 21st and February 20th in the Gregorian calendar, so it often happens after Li Chun. However, the exact dates can vary each year. Are there specific foods associated with this day? Spring rolls and dumplings are popular choices during Li Chun, representing the arrival of spring and the promise of new beginnings. Are there any specific beliefs or superstitions associated with Li Chun? Li Chun is believed to have a significant impact on agriculture, so there are customs aimed at ensuring a successful harvest. Some people might engage in practices like plowing the fields, symbolizing the beginning of farming activities. There's also a belief that the weather during Li Chun can predict the climate for the coming year, influencing decisions about planting crops. Seasonal horoscope. At spring's start, the bright southern sky features 3 easily identified stars, known in Chinese folklore as Fu, Lu, and Shu, symbolizing auspicious blessings, lifespan, and more. What is balancing an egg during Li Chun? Balancing eggs during Li Chun is thought that due to the specific alignment of the Earth and its gravitational pull during this time, it becomes easier to balance an egg upright. While it's more of a fun and superstitious activity than a scientifically proven phenomenon, some people enjoy trying it as a way to celebrate the beginning of spring. What activities that people are likely to engage in after the beginning of spring? After the beginning of spring, people like to go out for spring outings on the warm spring days. Commonly known as going out of the city to explore spring, this is also the main form of spring outing. The beginning of spring not only marks the commencement of the season but also heralds the recovery of all things. It symbolizes the rejuvenation of the earth, encapsulating the essence of renewal and vitality that defines this auspicious season.